So when someone is call me, here we check. Now we got option here to decline the call. Either accept the call, answer the call, or decline. Now when the iPhone is locked, like now the iPhone is locked, if someone is call you, what you do, how to decline, to refuse to answer the call. So there's no option to decline, slide to answer only, or voicemail message. So you need to double press the side button.
Hi, it's me.
Double press the side button to decline the call here on the right side.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
This is how to decline the call on your iPhone when the iPhone is locked, by double press the side button here. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.